friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will see recently asked images in Duolingo English test. So you have to give the answer within 3 seconds. There will be one image in front of you and you have to give the answer within 3 seconds. So let's begin with the video. But before that, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it for new and updated information and like button also. So without wasting our time, let's begin with the recently asked images. We will see, speak the English word for image. What you are finding over here, the picture of rat. If there is another picture like this, so both the picture are rat, so you can say R-A-T. It's a singular. If there is a plural, then you can say rats, R-A-T-S, like. Next one is sunflower. If there is a one sunflower, one image, then we will call it sunflower. More than one, so then we will say sunflowers, sunflowers. You must mind the difference between singular and plural while speaking, right? Next one we will see harmonium. Might be this type of image, they are in examination or someone is playing harmonium, but you have to see the picture and you have to speak out harmonium, Harmonium, you harmonium. We will see shoes. Might be this type of shoe or this one, yeah, might be this, or some person wearing the shoes, then you have to speak the shoes, shoes, shoes. It's picture of, okay, can you imagine it? Which type of picture is this? This one, this, you can call it telescope, Telescope, telescope. Okay, we'll see the next image of spectacle. Might be this type of images you will find in the examination if some person wear the spectacle. If in the image of one or two, more than one, then you can call spectacles. If there is a one like this one, so then you have to spell out spectacle. Pronunciation must be perfect. Spectacle, spectacle. Next we'll see tree. The roots are inside the land, so we can call banyan tree. BANYANTREE. There is another name of this tree is banyan. BANIAN. Both the spelling and the pronunciation are correct for this tree. We will see this type of image you will find examination, or this we can call it piano. PIANO, piano. Next, first one is needle, swing needle. If there is a one needle, then we can call NEEDLE. More than one like that, and this one, so we can call it NEEDLES, needles, swing needles. Clown, CLOWN, clown. Might be this type of image you will find, or this one. Okay, for clown, 2 or 3 students told me there is an examination of Duolingo. They have found this image, right? So 3 or 4 times they have asked. That is that meaning. One person told me what the meaning of 3 times. So another student, 1 person, 2 person, and 3 person, 3 persons or 4 persons told me clown asked in the examination of Duolingo. Next one we will basket. Might be this type of basket image, this one or this one or this. So you can call basket, BASKET, basket. Lookout, rainbow, RAINBOW. Might be this type of image you will find out. So you can say it rainbow. Next images we will see trumpet. Have you seen the, if you will look this image in front of you in the examination, and if you don't know the name, pronunciation, what you can call flute? No, this is a trumpet, TRUMPET, trumpet. Might be this or this type of instrument, trumpet, that we will call trumpet. Keys, Keys, keys. This type of keys or these keys, keys, keys. If there is a one, you can call it singular. More than once, we can call plural. Keys. Further, pearl, pearl, pearl might be this type of pearl, yeah, necklace type of pearl. So if there is a more than, we can call it plural like this way, pearls, right? Pearl. Next image is bulb, light bulb. Both are the correct. If you can bulb or light bulb, if there is a more, then you have to say bulbs, bulbs, bulbs. Giraffe. Okay. Giraffe also asked for 2 or 3 times. Right. Not for one examination they have asked 2 times. In different examination they have asked giraffes. GIRAFFE or more than one FFFES giraffes. Okay. So speak the English word for guitar. GUITAR, guitar. This guitar or this might be this guitar. So I have analyzed that they have asked musical instrument in many times. Plethora of way they are asking different musical instruments in the examination like guitar, harmonium, then the flute, trumpet. So what I will do is I will make one video of this musical instrument. In the Duolingo English stage, there will be one thumbnail of that pic of that video. And near future, like 2 or 3 days, I will provide you that video, so you can check out that video. And you don't have to prepare for another musical instrument. There will be one picture image and name of that picture also. Okay. So near future, I will provide you all the picture image of musical instrument in one place. Next, we will see butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. If there is a more butterfly, more than one, we can call butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. Thank you guys, thank you so much, thank you so much supporting me. And thanks for looking my videos. And one more thing, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and like button also. And within a few days, few 2 to 3 days, I will provide you the video of musical instruments as in the Duolingo English test. So check out that video also. So bye bye now.